how to change your navigation bar on your Samsung device. For example, you can see at the bottom of the screen, these are my navigation symbols right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change from this, probably this to this, or you can use gestures as well. Let's get started. All you have to do is go to your settings, your device settings, that's your Samsung. So scroll down where you see the word display, select display. Now scroll down, see where you see the word navigation bar. Okay, so select navigation bar. Now this is where you're going to have to customize your navigation bar, either your navigation type being the buttons or swipe gestures, and if you select the buttons, what order the buttons supposed to be. Okay, so when you look at right now, it's in buttons, you can see right here. Okay, now when it's in buttons, you can decide to change the order of the buttons. You can actually see that for this scenario, this is what is actually toggled on. This is the particular order of the navigation buttons. Okay, you can actually change this to this, where you can see that the order of the buttons has actually changed. That is when if you're using the buttons as your navigation type. Okay, you see that at the bottom of your screen. So when you select this, you can see that down at the bottom of your screen, you can see these actually, the arrows have actually changed. When you go back to the upper one, the arrows have actually changed. You see this, what the button orders right now have actually changed on your screen. Okay, so when you tap on swipe gestures, now this time you're going to be using, you notice that at the bottom of your screen, your navigation buttons disappear right here. So now you can actually use the gestures only. You see that you don't have the buttons option. Okay, actually using the swipe gestures, you can actually have to customize whether allow you to show you the gesture hint. You can turn this on, or show button to hide keyboard. You can actually turn that on. So that is when you're using swipe gestures, but usually most people prefer the buttons. Okay, so when you select the buttons, you can see actually at the bottom of your screen the buttons change, so you can select the button order. So that is how you change your navigation bar, either from the buttons to swipe gestures on your Samsung device. If you pick value in this video, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.